Welcome to the Machine Guarding Safety course. Machinery can be a serious work hazard if not properly maintained and operated. 8 out of 10 workplace fatalities and 1 in 4 workplace injuries involve mechanical equipment. Risk of exposure to moving machine parts can occur during operation, lubrication, adjustment, or maintenance. This risk can be minimized by proper machine guards, safety controls, and employee training. During this course, you will learn about the hazards of machinery and how machine guards and special controls are used to keep you and others safe. Dangerous moving parts are found in 3 places: the point of operation, power transmission areas, and internal moving parts. The point of operation is the point where machine force is exerted on materials for operations such as cutting, shaping, boring, or forming. Power transmission apparatus are shafts, belts, chains, pulleys, cams, connecting rods, and other parts that transmit power from a motor to parts of the machinery. Internal moving parts are normally covered by the machine casing and covers. These include reciprocating, rotating, and transverse moving parts, as well as feed mechanisms and auxiliary parts of the machine. Machine hazards that can be controlled by proper machine guards include contact or entanglement with machinery, trapping between machine and material or a fixed structure, contact with material in motion, and being struck by material ejected from a machine. There are 2 simple rules for keeping yourself safe from machine hazards. 1. Make sure all machine guards are in place before using any machinery or equipment. And 2. Keep hands, hair, and clothing away from all moving parts. So far, we've learned that machine guards provide a barrier between you and the dangerous parts of a machine. However, there are some very specific guidelines for machine guards. First, machine guards must prevent hands, arms, or any body clothing from making contact with dangerous moving parts. A good safeguarding system eliminates the possibility of the operator or other workers placing parts of their body near hazardous moving parts. Second, machine guards must be secure so that they cannot be easily removed or tampered with. Secure also means guards and safety devices should be made of durable material that will withstand the conditions of normal use, and they must be firmly secured to the machine. Third, machine guards must also provide protection from falling objects so that no object can fall into the moving parts of any piece of equipment. Fourth, a machine guard should not create new hazards. A safeguard defeats its own purpose if it creates a hazard such as shear points, a jagged edge, or an unfinished surface which can cause cuts. Fifth, machine guards should not interfere with the worker performing the job quickly and comfortably. Finally, a machine guard should allow for safe lubrication. Locating oil reservoirs and grease points outside the guards with a line leading to the lubrication point will reduce the need for the operator or maintenance worker to enter the hazardous area. There are several categories of machine guards. These are fixed guards, interlocked guards, self-adjusting guards, and automatic guards. Fixed guards are just that, fixed in place as part of the machine or as a surrounding barrier or cover plate. The advantages of fixed guards are that they can be constructed to suit many specific applications, provide maximum protection, usually requires minimum maintenance, and are suitable for high production rates and repetitive operations. The limitations of fixed guards are that they may interfere with visibility and may require removal for machine adjustment and repair. Interlock guards are designed to disengage power and prevent starting of a machine when the guard is open for placement of work material in the machine work area. Some advantages of interlock guards are that they provide maximum protection, allow clearance for material to be placed in a machine, and allow access to machine for removing jams without time-consuming removal of fixed guards. The limitations of interlock guards are they require careful adjustment and maintenance and may be easy to disengage or bypass. Adjustable guards are sometimes required for machine operations that take varying sized and shaped material or are used in a variety of production operations. Advantages of adjustable guards Advantages of adjustable guards are that since they are easily modified, they can be used for several specific applications that involve varying sizes of stock or working material. The limitations of adjustable guards are that the protection may not be complete at all times, and they may require frequent maintenance or adjustment. Self-adjusting guards are the preferred type when machinery danger areas must accommodate varying size work materials because they provide a barrier which moves according to the size of the stock entering the danger area. Advantages of self-adjusting guards are that they are often available from equipment manufacturers or are commercially available. The limitations include not always providing maximum protection, possible interference with visibility, and may require frequent maintenance and adjustment. Automatic guards are designed to move into position as the machine or operational cycle is started. Since these type guards move, they are only suitable for slow machine cycles. Otherwise, the guard movement and speed could create a hazard to the equipment operator. Presence sensing devices detect the presence of a person or part of a person in a defined area and prevents the dangerous parts of a machinery moving when the danger area is not clear. The most common presence sensing device are light curtains. These devices immediately apply a brake or prevent actuation of a machine if the light field is broken by a body part or other object. Another type of presence sensing device is a floor pad similar to those that open automatic doors. They are placed in the floor in front of the machine and prevents machine operation or cycles if weight is detected on the pad. For additional safety around conveyors or in-feed rollers, a safety trip cable is located around the machine perimeter or near the danger area. The operator must be able to reach the cable with either hand to stop the machine. While most machine guards are designed to keep body parts and clothing out of danger areas, hazards from materials being ejected from the working point may exist. In these cases, safety shields are installed to protect against sparks, flakes, shavings, and other particles from shaping, grinding, and cutting equipment such as lathes, spot welders, drill presses, and grinding wheels. One control that is required for all machinery is the emergency stop button. This is a prominent red-colored mushroom-shaped button that when pushed immediately stops the machine. It must be located such that it is readily accessible from all operator positions. While machine guards and safety controls are designed to provide operator safety, administrative controls such as operator training, safe operating procedures, and preventative maintenance and inspections are essential parts of the machine safety program. Before operating any equipment, you should understand all operation procedures, danger points, and safety precautions associated with the equipment. Some equipment precautions include use of specific personal protective equipment, such as gloves, eye and face protection, and hearing protection. In addition to safety equipment operating procedures, you should understand the use and limitations of any required personal protective equipment. There are occasions when machine guards must be removed for either maintenance or to clear a jam. Only specifically trained employees are permitted to perform equipment maintenance. The first step before any maintenance is to lock out and tag out all valves, electrical breakers, and other sources of energy to ensure the equipment is in a totally safe condition. Basically, the maintenance person puts a keyed lock on all energy isolation points after placing them in the off, shut, or blocked position. Additionally, a danger tag is attached to let everyone know the equipment is locked out and that hands off is the rule. Only the person who attaches the lock and tags is permitted to remove them. Never attempt to operate the controls of a locked out piece of equipment. While machines are designed with specific safety features, it is the responsibility of the operator to recognize the danger points and keep hands and clothing clear of these areas. Also, for your own safety, do not remove, modify, bypass, or disengage any safety guard or control. Failure to follow specific safety procedures can cause amputation or death. Please stay constantly aware and be safe around machinery. If you are ever unsure of how to operate a piece of equipment safely, immediately ask your supervisor.